Today, I'm going to teach you how to install an Iframe in WordPress Elementor. This is incredibly useful when you want to embed external content like maps, videos, or other web pages directly into your WordPress site. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. Simply open your web browser and navigate to your WordPress site's admin URL, which typically looks like your site.com/wp-admin. Enter your username and password to access the backend of your site. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard where all your site management options are available. Next, navigate to the plugins section by locating plugins in the left-hand sidebar menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down options that appear, select Add Plugin. This takes you to the plugin installation page where you can search for and add new functionality to your WordPress site. The plugin section is essentially your toolkit for expanding what your site can do, and adding an Iframe plugin will give you the capability to embed external content seamlessly. Now that you're on the Add Plugin page, look for the search bar at the top right, type Iframe into the search field. WordPress will display a list of available Iframe plugins. Look through the results and find the one that best suits your needs. Most users opt for highly rated plugins with good reviews and regular updates. Once you've identified the right plugin, click the Install Now button next to it. WordPress will automatically download and install the plugin to your site. After the installation completes, you'll see the button change to Activate. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your WordPress site. Activating the plugin makes its features accessible within your Elementor editor, allowing you to start embedding iframes into your pages immediately. This step is crucial because simply installing the plugin without activating it won't add the functionality you need. And that's it. You've successfully installed an Iframe plugin in WordPress Elementor, giving you the power to embed external content directly into your site pages. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.